Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to add friends, then in order to do so, click on the friends icon at the bottom left corner. Now from the friends tab, in order to add friends, click on search for players at the left side. You can now click on the search box at the top right corner and then type in the name within the search box. You may also choose the player ID and enter the player ID if you wish. After searching for your player, you can simply go through the list and click on the plus icon to add any one of them. You will now follow this user. You can go into their profile and check it as well, and once they have followed you back, you will become friends with this player. You can add as many friends as you wish and invite them to play within your matches as you continue to play the game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.